What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. So, per usual, Saturday video, we're going to go over the expected move of the stock market. There's no doubt we got the rip your face off rally in this downtrend that we've been in. Here's all-time highs. Just there's no mistake about it. Lower lows, lower highs. Question now is, was this a rip your face off rally and the bears pile it back on, or was that the bottom? Either way, if the bears show back up, both those questions still stand. Is that going to be another higher low? Is it going to be like just barely a higher low, making yet another bull flag? Or do we just rip it right back down? Nothing about the market's changed, and I don't really care about that, but everyone was real quick to call this downtrend. Oil, inflation, interest rate rising, all of that's still here, and things are still going up. So, at what point, if that's what you believe got us down here, why do you think we're going up, if that's the case? So ultimately, I don't really care about the why, but there's definitely, we got outside the expected moves, got some delta hedging, maybe some gamma squeezes in there, and that's what happened. The rip your face off rally, a bunch of shorts covering. We were at like max shorts at this low right here. The most bears we'd seen in, I don't know, since 2008 or something like that. And then, shorts start to cover, and then mix that with some dip buys and FOMO buyers, and it sends these things up. So these rip your face off rallies, they happen just like last time. It happens. Now the question is, where do we go from here? So let's talk about just the expected moves. We'll go over more of that in detail when futures open tomorrow in my live stream on the Don Fran Show. So let's just burn through these real quick. All right, SPY, we're looking at 1074. QQQ. 1120. IWM 680. All right. That was actually an L. I need to edit that later. Another loss. It's annoying. All right. Alright, so we got 1074. Almost looks like we're pricing in a consolidation week. If we're looking at the expected moves and where market makers are pricing in risk. So it would not surprise me in the least to see something like that. A very choppy kind of sideways week. After that move, I really wouldn't... I said this... So last week we talked about there being a... I said I was looking for the rip your face off rally. I was thinking a couple of really solid green days. It ended up being like the last time we were this bullish was the March dip of 2020. Exactly a year ago. I just mean in March, not really exactly per day. QQQ 1119. I don't know. Anyway, I did go short over the weekend. I jumped short actually a little bit too soon. So Friday was red for me. But I am swinging over the weekend. It just made more sense to go short. I'm really not the guy that likes to buy at the peaks. You do you. The problem is, like if you're a person that bought at the peak, you bought high and it went higher, which, congrats to you guys. IWM 680. Yeah, Friday's move was impressive though. I was already at an L. I was in recovery mode. I did go long the futures, just to hopefully hedge my options positions. I did not make it into the green though, so that sucked. I don't like taking red days. But it's my fault. I even told my mentorship chat the night before. I said, if Amazon gets to this zone, I'm going to short. We're like 3/4 of the way there. I'm like, I'm going to go ahead and go short here. Foolish. I should have just waited until it hit my zone, which it did later that day, and then went short. I would have not had a single problem. Anyway, those are your expected moves. As far as this week goes, let's see what Sunday's open brings. Let's see if it's, so far, Mondays have notoriously been red this year. Let's see if we finally get a green Monday. Are the bulls still in control? The short-term trend, still more green candles than red. but big picture, where are we at? More to go over tomorrow on that live stream. So I will end it here. Make sure you subscribe to both channels. This is Don Fron Trading, and I do go live. It's going to be Sunday and Tuesday, and I think I'm going to do that, and I'm going to add in a Thursday or Friday video, or maybe even stream on that on the Don Fron Show. So subscribe to both. Everything, as always, the Teachable link, the Trading Suite has everything I'll ever put out. So if you're interested in that, check that out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.